Today we are looking at a Clipper Super 47B grain cleaner. This unit also has our VFD upgrade package as well as our ball tray system. In a minute we will go over those features in detail. We are just going to do a walk around of this unit before we fire it up. We are looking at this cleaner from the end you put the screens in. Everything is in good shape. This unit was completely rebuilt. Everything has been gone through, checked over. This unit uses the roll feed hopper. We can see that the hopper has a disengaged lever here. So at the end of the day, you just push over on that lever. It stops the hopper, and then you're able to clean the unit out. So you can shut down at the end of the day if there's a large bin of product up above it. You can see the hopper there. I love the wood on these units. Just makes everything pop. Looks really beautiful. Now inside of the shoe you can see our ball tray system here. It's loaded up with balls. It does a great job of keeping the screens from blinding with few mechanical components. This simplifies these cleaners, makes it so you don't have to have a brush system underneath. We can set these units up to work off of the factory original brush system if the customer requests it. We have all of the components for a brush system. We do just convert these to ball trays for simplicity's sake. We have also set this unit up with our VFD package. This allows you to tailor the speed of the fan perfectly to the needs of your crop. In a minute we will demonstrate that. Typically there is a mechanical set of pulleys that changes the ratio by turning a ship's wheel. It works well, but we found that this makes this unit more adjustable and it also simplifies the unit. Note that we do sell all of the parts for the old mechanical ship's wheel system. The ship's wheel system that controls the speed of the bottom fan. We're just doing a walk around of this unit, then we're going to fire it up. You can see the air discharge here. This is where the chaff is blown out, right there. You can see the inside of the fan. Everything is in good shape. This unit has been stored for a little bit, so there's a little dust on it, but everything is bright, looking new. This unit has a full set of safety shields. This unit is powered by 2 electric motors. The motor that controls the eccentric shaft is a 1 horsepower, and the motor that runs the fan is a 1.5 horsepower. This unit is set up to run off of single phase 110 and 220 volts. All right, here you can see the unit running. Fires right up, starts strong, runs strong, hums right along. You can see the shoe shaking there. You can see the balls in the ball trays bouncing back and forth. Our ball tray system eliminates the need for brushes, simplifies the unit. You have fewer moving parts, less to maintain. We'll take a look down inside of the shoe from up high. You can see the balls bouncing around in there. It has good agitation. Now the bottom fan on this unit isn't running because again that's powered by this motor which is controlled by our VFD system. See everything moving and working as it should. This is just an all-around nice unit. Again, this unit has been improved and upgraded. This unit is ready to go out and perform for a long time. Now that you have seen the shoe shake back and forth and the hopper working, we are going to fire up the bottom fan. So you can see how our VFD system works. We've got power supplied to our VFD here. Again, this VFD controls the bottom fan. We're going to fire it up in a second. This unit runs off of 220 volt single phase. Now, it appears that this display is flickering. That is just from the camera. In person, it doesn't flicker like that. It is blinking because power has just been put to it. Okay. You can see the fan running now. You can hear it fired right up. Now, right now, it is running at its lowest speed. It's at about 398 RPMs. Now, you can hear that it's running pretty slow. We've got a pretty low breeze of air coming out of the fan discharge here. You would use low air on a very light seed like fescue, grass seed, wheat. This is where you would use the low end. That's where this VFD system is really going to shine, because it allows you to tailor the speed of the bottom fan, thus changing how much air comes out here, so you're not going to blow away good kernels of wheat or grass seed. You can just hit the button and speed it up. Maybe you can hear the frequency change. It just sped up a little bit. The VFD takes the guesswork out, because no more is it kind of done by trial and error, like, oh, I've sped the fan up too much, okay, I'm losing kernels. Once you get this set and you get it figured out, you can then write this down and say, okay, for this type of grass seed or for wheat, I need my fan to be set at 430. And then you can keep that on a chart. When it's time to clean wheat, you can just type in 430 and you're set and it's good to go. Now, we can just hold the up arrow and we can change the speed of the fan. Let's change it to 500. Okay, we're at 500. You can hear that it sped up even more. We've got more air coming out. Okay. Now we can also adjust this in 100 or 10 increments. So if I hit the over arrow 3 times, I can adjust it by hundreds. Now it's at 6. If I hit the over arrow 2 times, then I can adjust it by 10. You can see I switched it to 622 there. And if I hit it 2 times, I can adjust it down by 10. And I can even adjust it by single RPMs. You can see it's just ticking down by 1 there. Again, the VFD simplifies the machine. It has less moving parts, and it allows you to get it tailored perfectly to the need of whatever product you're running through this machine. Then when it's time to come to a stop, you just hit the stop button and it slows to a stop. Again, this unit has been completely rebuilt. It has also been improved, upgraded, and made into an all-round better machine. On top of that, you have the beautiful wood. Really makes these machines nice, and it makes them look good setting in your facility. This grain cleaner and other units like it, larger and smaller, can be bought through us here at Commodity Traders International. We sell a wide variety of seed, feed, and milling machinery. Thank you for watching.